light.
Wow, this product looks so special.
Yes, it's our patent design. The material is like casting aluminum. It's for anti-corrosion, anti-rust, and anti-soil spray.
Whether this product could cover other fields such as football, tennis, port, and airport.
Yes, we can use different vinegar for different areas to reduce the light pollution and guarantee the good uniformity. For football field, we can use 60° and 45°. For tennis court, we can use 60° and 90° or asymmetric.
What's the fraction of this glass? I don't see it often.
It's 4mm tempered glass. It's very strong.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can try.
Okay. Oh, really strong.
Yeah, it's anti-UV and fireproof. And what's more, it can be very easy to clean by high pressure water.
Okay. How many watts of this product?
Each one is 1000 watts with 4 modules. Each module is 240 watts. It can be very easy to change power with the connector.
So it would be very convenient for stocking management and maintenance, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. Is it easy to adjust the installation angle?
Yes, it's easy to achieve precise adjustment. The minimum is 10°. It's scratch-free. Can protect the paint surface of the brackets to avoid rust.
Okay. If I want to install this product in high temperature environment, for example, Africa, Saudi areas, is okay?
Yes, no problem, because the driver is on the external protein. So it forms a convection channel between the brackets and the heat sink. So the heat dissipation is very good. It can make sure long lifespan and use in any area with high temperature.
Oh, that's very good. But if the driver on the back of the module, it would be difficult for me to change the driver on the top of the pole. How do you solve it?
Good questions, but don't worry, because we can separate the driver with the modules and put the driver into a cabinet and install on the bottom of the pole. So it's very easy for the maintenance.
Okay. How do you handle with well connection?
For the connection, we can use the junction box. Yes, that's fine. It can prevent the heat dangers caused by leakage. And we have the more waterproof connector. This one. It can be very easy for the fast connection and good for the maintenance too.
Okay, you are so professional. But I'm a little worried about dustbin. I saw it before. It made me very uncomfortable.
Don't worry, we have the lampshade. It can avoid the light pollution and reduce the glare, so it can be very comfortable for our vision.
Oh. One more question. What certification do you have?
We have CE, CB, TUV, ROSE, and SAA certification. What's more, we have the IP67, IK09, vanilla test, and anti-corrosion test.
Perfect. I will buy it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.